Hello, garden enthusiasts! Today, we're diving into the numerous benefits of having artificial grass in your home garden. From low maintenance to year-round beauty, we'll explore why artificial grass might be the perfect solution for transforming your outdoor space. Let's get started. 1. Low maintenance. First and foremost, one of the most significant benefits of artificial grass is its low-maintenance nature. Unlike natural grass, which requires regular mowing, watering, and fertilizing, artificial grass requires minimal upkeep. You can say goodbye to lawn mowers, weed trimmers, and watering schedules, saving you time and effort while still enjoying a lush green lawn all year round. 2. Water conservation. In today's world, water conservation is more important than ever. Artificial grass helps conserve water by eliminating the need for regular watering. With artificial grass, you can enjoy a beautiful green lawn without worrying about water restrictions or skyrocketing water bills. This makes artificial grass an eco-friendly choice for environmentally conscious homeowners. 3. Durability and longevity. Another benefit of artificial grass is its durability and longevity. Unlike natural grass, which can become patchy and worn over time, artificial grass maintains its lush appearance year after year. It's resistant to wear and tear from foot traffic, pets, and weather conditions, making it an excellent investment for long-term use in your home garden. 4. All-weather appeal. Artificial grass offers all-weather appeal, providing a green and inviting outdoor space no matter the season or weather conditions. Artificial grass stays green and vibrant, offering a beautiful backdrop for outdoor activities, entertaining, or simply relaxing in your garden. 5. Versatile design options. Lastly, artificial grass comes in a variety of styles, textures, and shades to suit your design preferences. Whether you prefer a short, neat lawn or a lush, luxurious look, there's an artificial grass option to match your aesthetic. Plus, artificial grass can be installed on any surface, giving you endless design possibilities for your home garden. And there you have it, the numerous benefits of having artificial grass in your home garden. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a video. Thanks for watching, and here's to enjoying a beautiful and hassle-free home garden with artificial grass.